So how to install DOSBox in Windows 11? We are going to open our web browser and now we are going to search for DOSBox download and we are going to click on go to download. We are going to click on download now. It should take us to SourceForge and it should start the download shortly. As we can see, the download has started. It shouldn't take a while. It should finish shortly and the download is done. I'm going to now open the downloads folder and now we are going to double click on DOSBox installer. Click on yes, click on next and install. And that's it. We now have DOSBox installed. We can double click and DOSBox is opening perfectly. How to uninstall DOSBox from Windows 11? We are going to right click on the DOSBox shortcut here and then we are going to open file location and now we are going to double click on uninstall.exe. Here we are going to click on yes and we are going to click on uninstall and that's it. That's all there is to uninstall DOSBox from Windows 11 because as we can see when we search for DOSBox it does not show anything anymore. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.